Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. I'm here with another toy hunt video. I'm in Toys R Us Langley, and holy cow, have I hit the jackpot. They finally restocked on so many figures. We've got the new Herrerasaurus and Dimorphodon in there looking really cool. They've got all the new attack packs, or how we should call, I think, wild pack now. So that's crazy that we've got these in now. They've also finally added the Roar Attack figures to the lineup. They're pretty expensive here. I'd suggest Walmart if you can, but regardless, you're still gonna pick them up for $30 here in Canada, which sucks, but at least we still have them. They've got the usual Albertosaurus and Toro. Looks like we've got a Brachiosaurus, but it's kind of open. I don't know why. Maybe it's on discount or something. Jurassic World Legacy Brachiosaurus, 62. That's actually pretty cheap. Wow, that's really cheap. Okay, it was usually 90. Hopefully we've got new amber humans. Nope, just the usual. Damn. Hopefully we get them sometime in the future. This is new. I'm gonna go ham on these, because I really want these. Look at all of them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, they're so cool. Look at all the new species. That's incredible. I'm so excited. I'm pumped. Nothing new here. And just those. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye-bye.